Imagine a world where machines possess the power of creation, not just assembling pre-programmed parts, but conjuring up entirely new and original works. This is no longer the stuff of science fiction, this is the reality of generative AI, a technology poised to redefine the boundaries of human ingenuity. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize how we create, communicate, and interact with the world around us. The allure of generative AI lies in its ability to mimic and expand upon human creativity. From composing symphonies to generating lifelike images, generative AI tools are captivating our imaginations and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But beyond the spectacle, it's crucial to understand the underlying mechanisms that power these technological marvels. Let's embark on a journey to demystify generative AI, exploring its core concepts, applications, and the profound implications it holds for our future. To grasp the significance of generative AI, we must first distinguish it from its predecessor, traditional AI. Traditional AI has been around for decades, and its primary function is to analyze existing data and make predictions based on that data. It's like a highly advanced calculator, processing information and providing outputs based on preset algorithms and historical data. Traditional AI excels at analyzing existing data and making predictions based on patterns. For instance, it can predict stock market trends, diagnose diseases from medical images, or even recommend products based on your shopping history. Think of a chess-playing AI that calculates countless moves based on pre-programmed rules and past games. It uses its vast database of previous matches to determine the best possible move at any given time. Generative AI, however, transcends mere analysis. It doesn't just interpret data, it creates something new from it. It delves into the realm of creation, learning from existing data to generate entirely new and original content. This means it can write stories, compose music, design art, and even develop new recipes, all by understanding and mimicking the patterns it has learned. Instead of simply recognizing a cat in a photo, generative AI can generate an image of a cat with unique markings, a pose you've never seen before, all while maintaining photorealistic quality. This ability to create new and unique outputs is what sets generative AI apart. This fundamental difference stems from the architecture of generative AI models. These models are designed to not only understand data, but to use that understanding to create new data. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on classification and prediction, generative AI utilizes complex neural networks designed to mimic the human brain's creative processes. These networks are capable of understanding and generating new patterns, making them incredibly powerful tools for innovation. These networks, fueled by massive datasets, learn to generate new data that reflects the patterns and nuances present in the training data. This allows generative AI to produce outputs that are not only new, but also contextually relevant and highly sophisticated. At the heart of generative AI lie neural networks, intricate webs of interconnected nodes that process information in a manner inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of layers, each responsible for extracting specific features and patterns from the input data. Imagine a neural network tasked with learning to recognize handwritten digits. The first layer might detect simple edges and curves, while subsequent layers identify more complex patterns like loops and intersections. The final layer outputs a prediction, the digit represented by the handwritten input. The effectiveness of a neural network hinges on the quality and quantity of its training data. This data, comprising countless examples, serves as the foundation for the network's learning process. The more diverse and comprehensive the training data, the better equipped the network becomes at generalizing to unseen examples. Section 4. The language of machines, tokens, and transformers. To process and generate human-like text, generative AI relies on a concept called tokenization. Tokenization involves breaking down text into smaller units, such as words or even characters. These tokens serve as the building blocks for the AI model, enabling it to understand and manipulate language in a structured manner. One groundbreaking architecture in natural language processing is the transformer model. transformers excel at capturing long-range dependencies within text, allowing them to understand context and generate more coherent and contextually relevant responses. This is achieved through a mechanism called attention, where the model learns to focus on specific parts of the input sequence when generating output. Through tokenization and transformer models, generative AI gains a deep understanding of human language, enabling it to generate remarkably fluent and contextually appropriate text in various styles and formats. Section 5. From Data to Masterpiece, the AI Training Odyssey. The journey of an AI model from inception to mastery is an iterative process involving several crucial stages. Each stage is meticulously designed to ensure the model evolves and improves over time, ultimately achieving a level of sophistication that can rival human intelligence in specific tasks. It all begins with data collection, where vast amounts of relevant data are gathered and pre-processed to remove inconsistencies and errors. This step is foundational as the quality and diversity of the data directly influence the model's potential. This data could be anything from text and code to images and music. Depending on the desired application, the more varied and comprehensive the data set, the better the model can learn and generalize from it. Next comes the training phase, where the neural network is fed the pre-processed data and tasked with finding patterns and relationships. This phase is computationally intensive and requires significant resources. The network adjusts its internal parameters, the weights and biases that govern its behavior, to minimize errors and improve accuracy. These adjustments are made through a process known as backpropagation, which helps the network learn from its mistakes. This process, often involving millions of iterations, is analogous to how humans learn through trial and error. Just as we refine our skills through practice, the neural network hones its abilities through repeated exposure to data. Throughout training, feedback loops play a crucial role in guiding the model towards optimal performance. These loops provide the necessary corrections and adjustments that help the model improve incrementally. The network's output is constantly evaluated against the desired outcome, and the results are fed back to adjust the parameters and improve future predictions. This evaluation is critical for ensuring the model's predictions are accurate and reliable. This continuous feedback loop ensures that the model refines its understanding and generates increasingly accurate and sophisticated outputs. Over time, the model becomes more adept at handling complex tasks and producing high-quality results. Finally, once the model achieves a satisfactory level of performance, it undergoes fine-tuning. This stage is essential for tailoring the model to specific tasks or domains. This stage involves training the model on a smaller, more specific data set to refine its abilities for a particular task. Fine-tuning helps the model become highly specialized and efficient in its designated area. For instance, a general language model could be fine-tuned on a dataset of scientific papers to generate highly specialized text in that domain. This transformation allows the model to excel in producing content that meets the specific needs and standards of the scientific community. Section 6. A universe of applications, generative AI in action. The applications of generative AI are as diverse as the data it learns from text to images, music to code. The possibilities are endless and ever-expanding. In the realm of text generation, AI assistants can draft emails, write stories, translate languages, and even provide real-time language learning assistance. They can also compose poems with remarkable fluency, capturing emotions and nuances that resonate deeply with readers. This has the potential to transform content creation, making it faster, more efficient, and accessible to a wider audience. Content creators can now focus more on creativity and less on mundane tasks. Beyond language, generative AI is making waves in the visual arts. Artists are using AI to explore new styles and techniques, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. AI-powered tools can generate breathtakingly realistic images, from human faces to intricate landscapes that are almost indistinguishable from real photographs. They can also create stunning artwork in various styles such as Impressionism, abstract, and more, offering artists new ways to express their creativity. AI can even manipulate existing images with unparalleled precision, allowing for seamless edits and enhancements that were once time-consuming and complex. This is opening up new avenues for artistic expression and challenging our very notions of creativity. Artists and AI are now collaborating to create unique pieces that blend human intuition with machine precision. In the world of software development, generative AI is automating coding tasks, suggesting code snippets and even debugging code, making the development process more efficient. AI can generate entire programs based on natural language descriptions, bridging the gap between human ideas and executable code. This has the potential to significantly accelerate software development cycles and empower individuals with limited coding experience to build their own applications. The democratization of software development is within reach. Generative AI is also composing original pieces of music, complete with melodies, harmonies, and intricate rhythms that rival human creations. From classical symphonies to catchy pop tunes, AI-generated music is pushing the boundaries of what we consider possible in music composition. AI can generate music in various genres, offering new possibilities for music production and consumption. AI-generated music is blurring the lines between human and machine creativity, creating a new frontier in the music industry. With AI tools, music producers and DJs can experiment with new sounds and compositions, offering listeners a fresh and innovative musical experience.